Alright, so in this video we'll talk about how we should look at our computer. I want you to think of it as a unit that just executes the commands you ask it to do. You provide it with some commands and it does all the necessary actions. For example, you may ask your computer to calculate something for you, for example your average grade. You simply ask it, the computer says, okay, sure, I'll find out, and then he says you got an outstanding grade. Also, you may tell your computer to show you some image or to play some cool video, right? You may also ask your computer to surf the internet or basically go to different social medias for you, and actually you can do much more with it. The computer should simply help you with whatever you need by following your instructions. So basically your computer may follow a lot of different commands or instructions you ask it to do. You ask through some input and you receive the results on the output. Simply ask and receive. Nothing more. And if you would like to hear some cool analogy that will probably help you understand this topic even much better, let's take a look at the restaurant example. I want you to imagine a situation where you sit at some cool restaurant and you want to order something. You are a customer in such a case, right? Okay, so now we have you as a customer, and I also want you to think of a computer as a waiter that works at that restaurant. And you want to grab a drink, so you simply ask for a drink and then the waiter will give you what you asked for. You may also ask for something to eat and the waiter will give you what you ordered. And if you're not sure what exactly you want, you're probably going to ask what different drinks the waiter can suggest. And then the waiter will tell you, or better say, give you some response with the suggested drinks. And that's a very similar situation to how we work with computers. We simply ask to find out what are the best drinks on Google, for example, or on Yahoo, or any other search engine that you may be familiar with, and then your computer will follow the command and go searching on different websites for the desired requests and then come back with a relevant result, the list of drinks that you asked for. So now we know that the computer will follow our strict instructions. You just need to ask for something and then the computer will hopefully find it and we'll get and receive our result. So simply ask and receive. That's the whole structure, the main structure, let's call it this way. But how, or better say, in what way should we ask our computer to do what we want it to do? Maybe we'll need some additional parts, like a mouse and a keyboard perhaps, so that it can be used as some sort of input, right guys? And where should we see the expected results? Should it be on a piece of paper, maybe using a speaker, or maybe even monitored on some display? These are very good questions and we are going to discuss this restaurant example even further in the next videos, so we are not finished with it yet. And that's very important guys, because even if you don't see it by now, these topics are the ones that shape your programming skills and make you a better programmer. A programmer with a system vision and understanding. Not everything is just code, believe me, although we'll taste a lot of it too. So we are just getting started, let's go to the next section.